Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Lusine and you are going to polish your manners with me. We are going to talk about table etiquette, social etiquette, business etiquette, and all the secrets about aristocratic life. Let's go! In this video, we are going to talk about the napkin. Where is it usually put on the table? How should we take it off the table? Where should we put it after we sit? And answers to all the questions connected with the napkin. So the first question, where is the napkin usually put on the table? First of all, we could find it either to the left of the plate or under the forks like this. Or quite often, we could find it on the main plate, on the dining plate. When do we take the napkin off the table? Right after we sit down, or do we wait for somebody? The answer depends whether we are dining in a private home or in a restaurant. In case of a home setting, we are waiting for the host or the hostess. They are taking their napkins first, and it'll be as an indicator for the guests to take their napkins too. However, in a restaurant setting, we are picking up our napkins as soon as we sit down. The next question, where should we put the napkin after we take it off the table? Or where should we hang it? So please do remember, we never tie it around our neck, we never tuck it into our shirt, and we never stick it to our belt. The place of the napkin is always on our lap. We unfold it, put it on our lap, and keep it there until we finish dining. So, how should we put it on our lap? First of all, some don'ts. Please do remember, don't open the napkin in mid-air, and we are not waving it like a flag, like this. We are not unfolding the napkin above the table. Everything we do takes place below the level of the table. I removed the plate so it is easy for me to show you what I'm doing. If you have a large napkin, you are going to fold it in half. If the napkin is small, it is fully opened. As far as I have a large napkin, I'm not going to put it fully opened on my lap. I'm going to fold it in half. By the way, in some upscale restaurants, the server puts the napkin on your lap for you. My suggestion is, please wait a bit to see whether he or she does it or not. So an important thing to remember is, whenever we fold it, the fold should be toward you, toward us. So we folded it, here is the fold, and the fold faces us. Our main task is to keep the upper layer of the napkin clean. So whenever we fold it, we put the upper layer a little bit back and we use this part of the napkin. You see it? This part. Another important thing, whenever we want to take the napkin off the table, we're not doing like everyone says what you're doing, but do it quite silently. So like you're talking towards someone who sits beside you, you are talking and you are doing like this. There are two ways to take the napkin off our lap. So imagine this is my lap again. The first way, we take just with two hands like this and we use this part. The second way to take it, we use our right hand. So we rub the napkin into our index finger, we take the finger out and we make it like this. So use whichever method you like. What is the napkin for? Do you remember? The napkin is to dab the corners of the mouth. Remember, don't wipe it. We aren't doing like this, we just dabbing it like this. It is not meant to blow your nose, to wipe your face or wipe your sweat. The napkin is only to dab the corners of the mouth in a delicate way. Ah yeah, I almost forgot it. Don't try to clean your silverware with the napkin. It is not meant for that. So if we want to go to somewhere and then come back, we can put the napkin on our chair. Yeah. However, it is sometimes considered that it is not hygienic to put the napkin on the chair. I'll tell something. As far as we're using the inner part of the napkin to dab our mouse, it is not going to touch the chair, so it is up to you. Either you can put it on the chair or not. However, if you think your napkin is too dirty to put on the chair, in every case you can put it to the left of the plate. At the end of the meal, after we finish eating, again we are putting the napkin to the left of the plate. If the plate has been removed, we're just putting it to the center. At the end, remember, don't place the napkin back to the table while others are eating. The video is over. Thank you very much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you really liked it, please let me know in the comments below. I would also like to hear your video suggestions. So if you have some topics you would like me to cover, please write below in the comments. And also subscribe to my channel so not to miss any video for you made by me with pleasure. Thank you.